Hi my friends, it's Chef Maria Cata, and today I'm going to teach you some basic hacks so you can use in the kitchen and make your life a lot easier. For example, the most common used cuts are the bruna, that is like a small little cube like this, and also juliennes, plumas like they're called as well, chunks, also different vegetables where we can also keep and cut and frozen. Also in fruit, we can chunk the fruit so it's easy to consume and easy to ready to eat. Also, we have some juliennes, some strips. This we can also keep it frozen to maximize the use and minimize the waste. So I'm gonna show you like the basic cut, like the bruna. I'm gonna show you how it is cut. Usually you have to keep the bottom part, get rid of the other end, cut it in half. And then what you want to do is like make cuts across, keeping it together. And then you want to make 1 or 2 cuts around here. And it's good to have a sharp knife. Now we're just gonna cut the desired size. And this is the bruna cut. Now we're gonna cut it in slices. So the best way to do that in plumas will be like to do this. Cut it like that. And there always keep the knife like closer to your body. Also your sharp hold, and then we have less plumas, we have strips. These are the most common use. You can also like freeze them and keep in storage so we can maximize the use and minimize the waste.